Fam, these days I find myself making my hair often. Can you believe that in this video I took down this hair, made it in one day and took it out the next day? That is the stage of life I find myself currently. So guys, welcome to another vlog. I have a conference to attend tomorrow morning, so I'm going to be making my hair for that conference, of which I took it out like I told you guys. If you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give my video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. Fam, I'm at a point in my life where I feel like I'm doing more and I'm getting less. Like, I'm just at a point in my life where I feel like maybe I'm not doing up to what others are doing, because I put in so much effort in making these YouTube videos. For the past 4 years, I've been at it, making YouTube videos with no 100% or at least 70% reward for all my hard work. I'm not trying to rant, but I'm just trying to air my feelings out to you people, because you people are my people. So the only thing you can do for me as a creator is to watch my video and share it to people that it's going to help, so that your girl can get more views and get monetized at the end of the whole day. That's the only thing you can do for me to help me, and I'll be glad if you can do that for me. Thank you guys. Enjoy the vlog. So guys, this is how far I've gone with the hair. I'm almost done. This part is remaining, but
back. My is back.
It suits me so well. Complements my skin. So I did box braid for this style. I don't have strength for knotless, so I just did box braid, and I'm going to be coiling this part of the hair. I have a conference to attend tomorrow and I want to look my best. I don't want to look like, what do you guys think? Should I be like this? I'm going to coil. So stay tuned for that. Enjoy the vlog. So guys, I just did the sun gaps. I just prepped it for hot water. So I'm going to put it in hot water.
It's like takes all the responsibility of the child and
Listen down. Yeah.
wow. Okay, so I'm going to set 30 months. So I'm waiting down in very, very long speech. Wow.
You send it to me. Yes,
Okay, let's sit down. So say these words. But don't just say them. Mean them. Will your mind to believe them. Because they are wonderful. I am enough. My dreams are enough. I have everything within and around you. I can get it. But strength is made perfect in every single weakness. My dreams are fully funded. And I will deliver excellent. The friend once said, if we treat people merely as they are, they will remain as they are. But if we treat them as if they were what they should be, they will become what they should be. So treat yourself not as you are, but as you should. Treat your dreams not as they seem like.
I'm currently going home because I can no longer deal with it, and the sun is sunning. The sun is sunning.
I beg I no get to like talk. Animals they in no fun. Daddy man nobody like work, but you must not feel if you want job. You no finish them on fight us. If them they run them no big catch up. I know they.
So guys, it's not been quite long. I came back from the conference I went to. You guys, I had to make this hair short. I had to cut off the coils, so I couldn't come back to you guys for that. The conference was actually insightful, but I couldn't stay till the end because I was not feeling too well. And today is Saturday. Just came back not quite long, so I came to know how you guys are doing and all of this good stuff. I still have makeup on my face, but we move. As somebody that doesn't always like to ask for help, it's also good sometimes you receive help from people around you. So guys, I woke up today feeling like making my hair, even though I knew I was extremely tired, but I still wanted to give it a shot. But in the long run, as I was making this video, I was just using like the 1% strength I had to do this, but I noticed that I was not going to finish this hair and I was going to end up spoiling my extension. So I had to go and receive help from somebody, from my hairstylist. I had to allow her make my hair, and I used expression kinky box for this hair. So I went to my hairstylist to make my hair, because once in a while, as a DIY person, it's good to accept help from other persons as well.
You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Come on, mind on mind, man. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady going like broccoli. Then you on my grind, oh yeah, what you want, enemy. Put it down like fantasy. You want the check, leave my dark thing go wrong. But it ain't rush, but I want to be more. Now gonna make my dark be rush. The kind money we dodge. Yeah, it ain't rush, but I want to be more. We'll be hype, everybody close. Let's go down.